Hi everybody, welcome to Advent Day 4. Today we're going to make a super simple ornament. You need an ornament. There it is. And you will need some, this is felt or scrap pieces of paper or envelopes. That's all that is there. And you'll need a pair of scissors. And you will need a felt pen, and you'll definitely need a glue gun. This is cordless and it's amazing. And if you're looking to purchase one, I have details down in the description where you can link up to my Amazon, where I bought it. So what you'll want to do here is take your little guy and take your pen. Don't use a silver, it doesn't really work. Take a black one. Take a black marker and put whatever type of face that you want to put onto it. Little eyelashes, little nose. You can put a smiley face if you want to. So yeah, once that's done, you will want to grab some of your felt paper, whichever you are using. You want to cut yourself a square. It doesn't have to be a perfect square, just a square of some sort. And then you'll take that square and you will cut a circle. It doesn't have to be a perfect circle, circular shape. And once you've cut that, you will take that and just do a quick cut into it, and you'll cut in a swirl. If this is your first time, you may want to draw on it so you know where you're going with the swirl. The secret to this is start thinner on the outside, and as you cut towards the inside, it gets thicker, so you end up with kind of a little bit to put on to glue all the edges onto. And now you just start rolling it towards the middle. I'll speed this up a little bit. So you'll have it so it's rolled right in, and that bigger piece is on the bottom. And then you'll just glue it in there, and then glue it to all of them. Make sure that the inside is definitely being glued down so it doesn't unravel from the inside. And there you have a flower. There you go. Little teeny, super simple flower. And I made a few before, of course. They just need to be glued down, which I'll quickly go through. And so as I glue this last flower, little trick, if you don't want to get the stringies, is to let go of the glue gun switch and just give it a little swirl, and it should not give you little glue stringies. So a little hint. Okay, so you take your ornament that you've strung with whatever ribbon you've chosen. I've chosen this purple to go with purple. Take the face of it, figure out where you want to put your flowers. Honestly, anywhere will do. So you just start with one and go from there. As we go to glue on the last flower, again, it's up to you how many you choose to put on. You can put up like 10 or 2. It's totally up to you. So we put in the last flower, and voila, a sweet little ornament. It doesn't even have to be for Christmas. I am making these for Christmas though. So if you want to add glitter, you can do that. I add a little bit of leaves, as you'll see coming up. And yeah, she's very sweet. And here I'm just trimming some little leaves off of some ribbon that I had. Again, you can go as much as you want or as little as you want. It's completely up to you. It's just super simple. The flowers are super simple. You can put them all sorts of places. I've just chosen to do this little glittery ornament this year. And if I haven't stressed this enough, remember that the hot glue gun is hot. The glue coming out of it, super hot. Pay attention to what you're doing. I only say this as I was going to do another ornament to follow this, and then I burnt myself with the glue because I was not paying attention. So pay attention, everybody. The hot glue is hot. Okay, everybody, if you wanted to add glitter, grab a Q-tip. Easiest way to do this. A little bit of glue on the Q-tip, put it where you want it. I'm putting it in the center of these white ones to give it a little more zhuzh. And then just dip a Q-tip into the glitter and dab it right onto that glue. And give it a little shake off. I recognize a lot of people don't want to do glitter. That's, up to you. I love glitter. I love this. But so I did it for 2 of them. Just a little bit of glue on the Q-tip into the middle of the flower. And then the Q-tip I just dabbed into the glitter jar and dabbed that right into the middle. As simple as that. Just a little bit of glitter to go with the glitter ball. Now a little tip is if you put glue onto it afterwards, it will not go anywhere. And then here she is, all in her lovely little glory, her little Christmas glory. Another thing you could add to this is a unicorn horn. That's what I was originally going to do, but I couldn't find any of my unicorn horns that I had made, so she's just a little flower head. I hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for day 5.